Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to share someone's story on Instagram. So for example, you can see this story like this, and then you can click on one of the story. And if you find something interesting, you can share it to your friends through your direct message. You can click on this button over here. So I'm going to look for the Insta story that is interesting for me. You can just keep on scrolling or swiping. So this one is interesting, and I'm going to click on the share button and choose the user or the account that I want to share it with and click send. So that's how you share someone's story to your direct message. But you can also share it to another app. Just click on the same share button and then click on share to. Next, you'll just have to choose the application like WhatsApp or AirDrop or anything that you want to share it to. Like for example, I'm going to share this to WhatsApp. Just click on send like that. So that's how you share someone's story on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video. And I'll see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye!